Okay, so hello everyone, I'm Rafael from Unbox Project, and today we're gonna see a Java challenge about strings. So let me share my screen here. Okay, so this is the challenge, and we are declaring the string called result, and then we have here some comparisons using the string method, and then using equals equals, and then we are instantiating two new strings and making another comparison. And here we are using the equals method, and then we are using the intern method. So I'm gonna give you some time, and then when you're ready, you can come up with the answer. Okay, guys, so we're ready to do the answer?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
let's go.
go.
It's one.
Okay,
Oh,
everyone is wrong.
it's great and it's strange.
Oh,
Okay.
so the trim is not cash.
So let's see my one. What did I was wrong in? One,
On your
two.
7. Okay, guys, so let's see the explanation. I'm gonna debug the code and I'm gonna show you why the answer is what it is. Okay, so this one is tricky because when we use this method, actually what happens is that it returns a new string. So you can see here, yeah, new string. You don't need to understand how this, of course, you don't need to understand this implementation, but we can see that we return a new string. So automatically it will be a different instance. So basically here, the string is gonna be just trimmed, so it's gonna be the same as here, but as we saw before, it's returning a new string, so it's not gonna be equals. So it will be false. So the first value then is gonna be 1. Okay, and here we have exactly the same value and the same object because it's on the string pool, both of them. Basically, when we create a string that has the same value, most times they're gonna be in the string pool, and then they're gonna be pointing to the same object. In that case, it's true. So it's gonna return 2. So here in this example, when we instantiate a string like this explicitly, we're gonna be creating another object in the memory heap, and if we are comparing those two strings using the equals equals sign, it's gonna be false because both objects here, they are different because they are pointing to distinct objects in the memory heap. Yeah, those objects are different, so it's gonna return false. So it's gonna be 5. And here, as we are using the equals method, doesn't matter if the instance is different or if the object is different, doesn't matter. It just matters the value. So here it's gonna be true, and then it's gonna return 6. And when we use this intern method, we will be using the capability of the string to internalize the string and to put it in the string pool. So those two values will be the same. I mean, the object here is gonna be pointing to the same object. So it's gonna be true. So basically, yeah, this method is a native method. So it's usually a method implemented in a C language. So it's a very low-level method that basically what it does, it creates those strings and put in the same object, and yeah, put them in the string pool. So that's why it's true. So yeah, as you see here, the result is 1, because I mean here the trim method returns a new string, so it doesn't matter if the value is the same. It will be always false. So it's gonna be 1. Here we are using the same string, so the string pool will be responsible to put those two strings that has the same value there, and then as a result, they're gonna be pointing to the same object. So it's gonna be true. Here, as we are creating explicitly two new strings, even though they have the same value, when we do that explicitly, we are going to create two different objects in the memory heap. So therefore, the value is going to be 5, as you see here. And here we are creating a new object in the memory heap, a new string, but we are using the equals method. So here we are just comparing the value. And as the string method has the equals method overridden, it's going to be fine. So it's going to compare the value as you see here. And here on the last one, we are using the intern method that is a native method. That means that this method is implemented probably in the C language, just for matters of performance. So what it's gonna basically do is gonna put those strings in the string pool, and then therefore they're gonna be the same. They're gonna be pointing to the same object. So the final result is 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. And that's it, guys. Do you have any questions regarding this challenge?
Yeah, that was a tricky one. I think like many. I don't want to speak for the other people, but maybe it's the same reason. Like I was under the impression, or for a brief moment, that the trim method would actually check the string pool, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
It doesn't.
for me.
Maybe I forgot the most basic one. That is the equals. That's the
Yes.
equals.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thanks, guys, for your comments. And just to let you know, if you want to go deeper into this topic, there is this article here from Java World, and you can go really deep into it. There are many examples here about the memory heap, um, about the new operator, about the intern method. So you can just check all these elements from this Java challenge, and then you can see the challenge here. You can take your guess here, and yeah, you can go much deeper into this one. And that's it. Then I'm gonna just stop sharing my screen. So that was the Java challenge about strings. So on this challenge, we went deep into the concept of string pool. So this is a very important concept to be aware of, because you will work a lot with strings. Maybe string is the most used class in Java, so you have to know what's happening with strings. And as I mentioned, you can go to the article. I will leave the link on the description of the video, and then you can go there, read, and go even deeper into the topic. And if you like the video, just give a like. And if you want to see all the videos, you just get subscribed, and then you're gonna see gonna be able to watch the videos more easily, and then you're gonna be helping me out to create more content and helping yourself as well, because I'm gonna be able to create better content to you. That's it, guys. So see you next time.